Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to find hidden or locked chats on WhatsApp. Perfect if you have enabled chat lock and now you are not sure where to find those hidden conversations. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now on the chat screen, swipe down gently. This will reveal a new section at the top called Lock Chats. Yes, it's hidden by default and only appears when you swipe down. So now tap on it and WhatsApp will ask you to verify your fingerprint or Face ID depending on your phone's security settings. Once that's done, you will see all the chats that you have locked or hidden for privacy. Remember, this feature is great if you want to keep certain conversations private, but only you can access them with your device unlock method. And that's it. Super simple, right? Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.